When working in an outdoor environment, there will come a time when heavy loads of garden waste need to be transported from site to site. So a wheelbarrow would be a wise option. A wheelbarrow is a small, hand-propelled vehicle, usually with one or more wheels, designed to be pushed and guided by a single person using two handles at the rear, or by a sail to push the ancient wheelbarrow by the wind. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new videos to get more details about the latest products on the market. The WORX Aerocart comes with a patented design that adjusts the center of gravity for a balanced and easy to manage load. It offers a highly versatile lifting and moving work system device, instantly converts from wheelbarrow to dolly and more. It provides a durable, all-steel construction with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Also, it gives a two-wheel design to easily adjust its center of gravity, making heavy loads more manageable. Besides, it comes with a tub capacity of approximately 3 cubic feet, ideal for moving loads of wood, rocks, bricks, dirt, or anything else you need to haul. Moreover, for maximum storage capacity, convert the Aerocart into dolly mode and store it in an upright, standing position. Only 15 inches of space from the wall is needed. Another advantage is that its bagging attachment holds yard debris, and cylinder clips secure round objects like barrels and heavy pots. The Marathon dual-wheel residential yard rover comes with a lightweight and ergonomic design that makes yard work a breeze with lower lifting effort, more natural balancing, and maneuverability. It features a 91 cm long by 69 cm wide tray and 300 pound hauling capacity. It can haul materials such as mulch, topsoil, logs, yard waste, debris, rocks, and more. Also, it has a heavy-duty, non-corrosive steel frame with a tray made of sturdy plastic. Besides, the two large wheels allow for natural movement over rough, uneven terrain. Moreover, it provides a large storage capacity with a smooth finish and rounded corners for easy offloading. Another advantage is that it is equipped with a convenient loop handle that allows users to push, pull, or dump with ease. The True Temper R625 comes with 6 cubic feet of hauling capacity, and it is ideal for homeowners, landscapers, and light construction work. Also, the tubed tire has a metal rim and features a ribbed tread for improved traction and maneuverability. It is sturdily built and designed to provide years of dependable service. Moreover, the seamless steel tray, steel undercarriage, and seal-coated hardwood handles are designed to give years of reliable service. It also features a 2-ply pneumatic tire with easy rolling nylon bearings. Another advantage is that the steel bin is large and durable with a sloped, curved front that makes it easy to dump and distribute contents. The Gorilla Cart's Go R4PS offers a patented quick-release dump feature that makes unloading quick and easy. It can be unloaded with ease, and the balanced 4-wheel design makes it a simple-to-use alternative to a wheelbarrow. Also, the durable polybed is easy to clean and it won't rust, and the 10-inch pneumatic tires are designed to handle any terrain, whether you're hauling heavy dirt, mulch, gravel, or plants. Besides, with a 600-pound hauling capacity, this cart is perfect for the casual gardener or the lawn professional, and is an excellent alternative to a standard wheelbarrow anywhere around the home, garden, or farm. Moreover, the bed dimensions measure 38.7 inches by 20 inches, and the cart has an overall height of 19.5 inches and weighs 32 pounds. Another specialty is that it features balanced 4-wheel design that makes it a simple-to-use alternative to a wheelbarrow. The Jackson M6 T22 features a heavy-gauge, seamless metal tray with front braces as well as sturdy cross strips and leg shoes. It moves on a large 16-inch wheel with a pneumatic knobby tire, and it is built sturdy to last, and can hold a capacity of 6 cubic feet. It offers leg stabilizers that make the wheelbarrow 40% more tip resistant with high traction cleats. Also, it includes front tray braces, steel cross braces, and 4-bolt leg braces. Besides, the heavy-duty steel tray braces provide added strength and support when pouring heavy loads. In at first place among the list of best wheelbarrows, we have the Polar Trailer 8376. It is engineered to provide you with a rugged and durable tool for hauling everything from rock, mulch, dirt, firewood, leaves, grass clippings, hunting camping gear, game, and so much more. It comes with 400-pound load capacity, high-impact polyethylene tub, two 20-inch spoked wheels, ball-bearing hubs, and solid rubber tires, and the Polar Trailer utility cart is built to make your job easy. Moreover, it offers 400 pounds and 10 cubic feet in volume, which is perfect for hauling most everything from yard debris to camping gear. Another advantage is that it comes with a centered and balanced axle, which makes pulling even the most massive load a cinch. It has a ball-bearing hub for smooth operation on any terrain, and it is equipped with two 20-inch spoked wheels with solid rubber tires, so you never have to worry about getting a flat. Thanks for watching. This video was about the best wheelbarrows available on the market. If you liked the video, hit the button and subscribe to our channel to never miss content like this. Thanks for watching, see you next time.